Meaning of green fingers.
Green fingers.
Green fingers.
Green fingers.
Green fingers. The term green fingers refers to a person who has a natural talent or affinity for gardening and plant care. This individual is often able to cultivate and maintain plants with ease, resulting in flourishing gardens and landscapes. Their ability to effectively nourish and care for plants is seen as a gift, and they are often sought after for their expertise in horticulture. In short, having green fingers means being skilled in the art of garden cultivation and plant care.